Osteoporosis, elderly patient, whenever they complain of generalized body pain, osteoporosis, the first symptom is generalized body pain because the bone, the calcium content in the bone is reducing, the bone is getting weak. So whenever they walk, whenever they climb stairs, whenever they do extra work, they'll have generalized pain. They'll not be able to point out at one point. It can be neck pain, it can be back pain, it can be any joint pain. These are classical symptoms of osteoporosis. And they do have, in case if it's a severe osteoporosis, smallest fall, like tripping and falling, or falling when they keep the hand down when they fall, they develop wrist fractures, common wrist fractures. If they fall completely down, they'll have hip fractures. This is very common for people who are more than 65 years. Classically related to osteoporosis. In a normal person, in a young person, to have this kind of fracture, you need lot of force. But in a patient suffering with osteoporosis, the simplest fall can have fracture. Chronic deficiency of vitamin D3, that is vitamin D3 is very important for calcium deposition in the bone. If the vitamin D3 is deficient, you will have osteoporosis. 90% of our population in Bangalore are vitamin D3 deficient. Why? There is no sunlight in our Bangalore, very minimum, not no, very minimum. And with the present culture and present lifestyle, we don't go out. So, sunlight is very important. When the sunlight falls on the skin, vitamin D3 is synthesized. Vitamin D3 is not there in any diet. Remember, like vitamin A or vitamin B are there in many dietary products. Vitamin D3 has to come from your skin. If somebody takes a vitamin D3 test after not going to sunlight for 1 week, it will be very low. If they go for 1 day, it will go up. It will fluctuate. But taking vitamin D3 sachet weekly or monthly once is good for you, all of you.